Alright guys, for all those daredevils and DJs that want to try different skills, upskill your production levels to different heights, literally different heights. Right here, I've got exclusive for you, following the Tapper Kids surprise package video. So the 4DRC drone, and I got this from Best UK Drones. Yeah, definitely recommend it, guys, for whatever you're doing. If you're out and about in the park, yeah, definitely recommend this item to those. Right, guys, I'm gonna unbox it for you and I'm gonna show you what's inside, and then we'll go from there. Yeah, so check out what's inside now. I mean, some cool stuff. Let's check it out. From what I've seen, yes, I've seen some real cool stuff out there. I think this is really cool. It's a miniature drone. It's not a massive drone, so don't forget to check the drone laws for your area, wherever you're at, whichever country in the world. Different areas, as you know, have different rules, etc. To make sure you're up to scratch with that. Like I say, kids don't try this at home. So this one is designed for 14-year-olds. Yeah, guys. So check out. So make sure you have supervision if you're with any younger children. And yeah, like I say, kids don't try this at home. So make sure you guys are with supervised parents and make sure that you're able to. I mean, make sure you read all the instructions and you know what the situation is before you take flight. Make sure if you're in an area, it should be, you got to make sure you can see the drone at all times. So generally, say anything above you, you're allowed to shoot you upwards into the air. However, if you have people around, you have to make sure they're safe as well as you're safe. So guys, take care. Best thing to do is maybe go into a park where there's no one around, and test it in an area. Make sure you're familiar with the flight, the flight patterns, etc. So yeah, with this package, as you can see inside, it's the actual drone itself. So I'll take that out so you can have a look and see. So yeah, guys, this is it here. Reminds me of something from Short Circuit. Remember Short Circuit, guys? Who was around for Short Circuit? If you don't know, I mean, you probably remember WALL-E. Is it WALL-E? One of those programs. But yeah, guys, the future is here, and this is definitely one of the things that's taken over for our futures moving forwards. Alright, so guys, as you can see, the drone extends outwards. I would say the best way to start this up, I mean the safest way, I would say to maybe program it. Get the controller on. Once you've got the controller on, technically you're in control. It's best to be in control than not to be in control. So yeah, you can start it up with, you hook your phone onto the end. There is a 4DRC app that you can download, and it gives you all the information you need. As to how to start up the drone. I mean, follow the instructions. You're supposed to turn the drone. First of all, before you use it, you're supposed to charge up your batteries. These batteries have a specialized charger, guys. You can't use any charger. Make sure you don't just plug in any type of charger. You could damage your apparatus. It's a serious thing. You use the one that comes with the drone itself. So it's important. So when you charge it up, yeah, so it looks like this. This is the one that comes with it, and it has an actual light that comes on. And once the light, I mean, it starts off green and red. All right, guys, so yeah, make sure you handle these with care, by the way. All right, guys, this is an example of an external charger, which you can use to charge your battery. And basically, once the green light starts flashing, that indicates that the actual drone battery is now fully charged. All right, guys, once it's flashing, it's basically charging. When it stops flashing, it's charged. All right, guys. All right, so keep a monitor on it, and you don't want to keep it on for too long. You don't want to overcook it, literally overcharge it. You can literally overcook it. So guys, stay safe and keep your batteries safe in your equipment. You could also hook it up to an extension plug, and then obviously plug it in, and then plug it into a mains. All right, guys, so you could actually plug it into an extension plug and plug it into a mains like this, or you can plug it in to an external charger. So when you're going out, make sure you got your 4 lights on this particular one. All right, guys, so this particular model is called a Slim Pack 10,000 by Omars. Yeah, a Slim Pack 10,000 by Omars. Very useful charge port. All right, so inside of the same bag where the charger comes out, you've got a screwdriver, so it helps you when it comes to opening the back to put your batteries in. And just let you know, it takes 4 AAA batteries. Yeah, so 4 AAA batteries, guys. Once you get 4 of those, you can put them in, get some spares, carry some spares with you. I'd advise that, especially if you're going on long trips. You never know the batteries. I mean, batteries should technically last. Just try and get some good quality ones that last. And yeah, that will help. But you can actually press the button here and then obviously release the back of the actual controller, put your new batteries in, etc. It's quite handy. Keep your screwdriver handy, and it's something they send along. Nice little cute little screwdriver. Yeah, I need that, guys. Definitely essential. All right, so also inside of the same bag as the screwdriver comes out of, and the charger wire, the specialized charge wire, only for the drone, remember? Right, comes some spare blades. All right, so guys, you never know, and I'll be honest with you, when it comes to flying the drone for the first time, second time, even, we could all make mistakes and anything can happen. Try not to fly it in windy conditions, because that was the worst thing. Last thing you want is for your drone to fly off or be out of control and it's gone just crazy, it goes all over the place. That's the last thing you want. So make sure you have your spares just in case it hits the deck. I mean, you try and get a helicopter pad. There are some you can get online, so maybe Amazon, eBay, or go through Google and check out which company provides those landing pads, and you can set your drone to land on the pad, or you can also and you can set it as a home base. You can also you can actually fly it and obviously land it as you can expect, but you have to practice, guys. Make sure you practice well. It's about balance. But remember, guys, if you're flying the drone up in the air, say for example you're going forwards, right? I'm going to quickly show you something. Right, say for example, guys, you're going up in the air, and let's say you're going forwards or left or right or up and down, etc. Whatever you do, if the drone turns around, say it's flying this way and it turns around, whatever you do on here is now reversed. So that's something you have to get used to, guys. So if you remember, because you got to remember, if you're staying in the same position and your drone's now turned around, full circle, it's coming towards you, you're actually doing the reverse that you would have been doing if the drone was traveling the opposite direction. Yes, whatever you do go forwards, you have to reverse it coming backwards. So if you know your left is left when you're going forwards, it becomes right if the drone spins 360 degrees and then heading the other way. Yes, so make sure you understand that, guys. Don't make the mistake thinking, oh, okay, it's now going forwards, you still press forwards. No, it's now technically reverse. But yeah, you'll see what I mean if you get one of these and you fly up in the air. Yeah, guys. On the drone, on the actual controller, so you've got different buttons on there. You've got like a GPS button, guys. Oh yeah, the GPS, you link it up to the satellite. It takes roughly about maybe 16 minutes or so to kick in for the first time. And once it's linked to the satellite, yeah, you'll know, it will come up on your actual phone application. It will tell you. All right, guys, the first thing you do is you set up your Wi-Fi. You check the link in your Wi-Fi settings, and it should be 4DRC_4K_GPS, and then hyphen, yeah, or dash. I think it's a dash in America, but in the UK it's hyphen, 3, small d, number 2, a small b, 8, 5, 8, and a small c, yeah? Guys, check the link or check the picture just after this and it will show you exactly where it is. Alright guys, next you go into the 4DRC app. Yes guys, so first of all guys, you set up the remote control code matching. So number one, the remote control light flashes when it's on. All right, you push the left stick to the top. So basically a left stick, all right, to the top. Right, then you push the left stick to the bottom, yeah? Same again. Right, when the light turns on constantly, it means that the code matching is successful. All right, guys, so yeah, there you go, it's constant, you see there? All right, guys, there's all sorts of little things you need to do before you get this working, but make sure you follow the instructions. Then you go on to the second part, which is the horizontal calibration. Yeah, horizontal calibration, guys, and then it's the guide calibration. Yeah, guys? All right, so just letting you know, there is a procedure to all this to make it work successfully, and you need to follow it. Yeah, make sure you follow it accordingly, and then you shall have no problems. Well, hopefully not. Yeah, guys. First of all, you place the aircraft in a horizontal position. Yeah, guys. All right, so that's horizontal and that's vertical. All right, then you click the horizontal calibration button in the lower right corner. The aircraft will automatically perform horizontal calibration. So basically, yeah, you click the horizontal calibration button in the lower right corner. The aircraft will automatically perform horizontal calibration. All right, guys. So check it out, guys. The lower right corner. Yeah. So make sure. I'm hoping you know your left from your right, guys. Yeah, right now. Yeah. So lower right corner. That'll be down there. Yeah. All right, guys. Make sure you click on that button. All right, guys, and that's it. Next. Yeah, after the horizontal calibration is completed, it will complete to the next step. All right, guys, once you've done that, the next step is guide calibration. All right, so number one, you click the guide calibration button in the lower right corner to make the aircraft enter the guide calibration state. All right, as shown, and you'll see the picture come up in a moment. In figure 1, rotate the aircraft horizontally 2 to 3 circles until the horizontal rotation ends, guys. It's important, yeah? So horizontal, yeah, and it's anti-clockwise, yeah? You keep going 3 times until you hear a beep. Once it beeps, all right, you keep going. Basically, once it beeps, the next step, you do the same. So in check out figure 2, rotate the aircraft vertically for 2 to 3 turns until the vertical rotation ends, yeah? So obviously vertical is going to be like this. Same again, anti-clockwise. Guys, keep spinning it anti-clockwise. All right, 2 to 3 turns until you hear the beep, another beep, yeah? All right, 3. When the guide calibration is completed, it will automatically jump to the control page. All right, guys, so the control page, check the next picture coming up and you'll see what that looks like. Yeah, it should say 4DRC, just for dreams. All right, and it's got like basically satellite navigation, GPS symbols. It's got a compass on there, some other bits and pieces going on there. Click on the box at the top, and you shall see basically all the settings, guys. It's quite clever actually. It's got all the settings in there. Click on the box, and yeah, it'll break it down for you. So you can start hopefully getting your flight prepared. Guys, just follow the instructions. There is a help menu in there. Check the help menu and it will guide you. All right, so yeah, so basically after the remote control matching, horizontal calibration, and then the guide calibration, and then after that it should take you to the 4DRC page just for dreams, etc. And you can start taking pictures and videos and flying and all sorts of stuff. Yeah, guys. Alright, guys. Check out some more from me, Tommy Tapper. But yeah, guys, check out more of these videos, and happy flying. There's definitely a manual. Oh, one last thing I'd say. I mean, I ordered this, and they don't come with the actual drone, but it's an actual strap. Right, so this is a BRDRC, a strap that comes, and you can get these for roughly about £9. Not sure how much it is in dollars or whichever currency you're using wherever you are. But it's about £9, about £10. Set your back, and yeah, guys, these are quite useful. So when you're traveling and you don't want to hold the drone in your hands, you can actually put on, yeah, a harness, so to speak, or like a lanyard, so to speak. Yeah, it's got a little message on there: flight control experts. Yeah, guys, so these guys, check out Best UK Drones, recommend it, guys. Yeah, I mean, some of these things, when you see them online, you think, I mean, some of them be careful of, but check the reviews. And yeah, man, this Best UK Drones actually works. As you can see, it's come. So yeah, but make sure, guys, when you're checking out the links, check out the website. And yeah, happy purchasing, guys. Yeah, and happy flying once you get your item. All right. Yeah, that's more from me, guys. Check out more from my videos, exclusive right here from this channel. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, follow if you're on Instagram, etc. Guys, website linktree/Tommy Tapper. Yeah, linktree/Tommy Tapper for more from me, guys. Make sure you stay tuned to this channel for more exclusive videos. Don't forget to hit the link at the top with the bio of your Instagram, or hit the like, subscribe button, and hit the notification link for future news from me, etc, etc. Guys, it's very important. Make sure you stay tuned. Simple as that. Right here from this channel, you get different tips for DJs, producers, using the green screen, Apple Mac, different products, guys. Yeah, guys, check it out. Check out more of my stuff. I'm just gonna turn this on before I go, so you can see it light up. All right, guys. Here we go. Here we go. Say hi. Yeah, say hi. Hi. Yeah, you heard that, right? Hey, anyway, guys, tap in for more from this channel. Hey.